Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the touch screen hold duration before a touch is recognized on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, then we swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on Touch. Then in here, tap on Touch Accommodations. Now we go down and tap on Hold Duration. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then from here, you can also change the seconds. The lowest it can go is 0.1 seconds. You can increase it to 0.15 or 0.2. So change the time. And at the top here, you also need to turn on Touch Accommodations to use this feature. Once you turn on that, the zoom features also turn on as well. And you can move that out of the way. And now when you try to touch on an item, you can see it will not respond straight away. Instead, you need to hold it for a small amount of time before it can recognize, as we have turned on the delay, the touch hold duration delay. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.